In this video, I will show you how to quit PS5 Game. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my PS5 dashboard. Now I'm just going to show you there's actually two ways to go ahead and quit a game. So what I'm going to do is just go and load up this game here. So here we are, as you can see, the game is now loaded. Now to go ahead and quit a game, as I mentioned, there's two ways to do this. The first way to do this is on your PS5 controller. What you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and press the PlayStation button, so this button here. That's going to bring up a menu like this. From here, if you come down and you want to go across to where it says switcher, you should see the game icon and then press X onto your controller. And that's going to bring up a window like this. Now from here, you're going to want to press the options button on your controller. So the options button is this one up in the top right hand corner. And as you can see, there's an option here to close game. So we just come down and press X to close your game. As you can see, it says closing this game or app. And we are now back on the PS5 dashboard. So another way to do this, what I'm going to do is just jump into this game again. So here we are again back in the game. Now the second way to do this is, again, if on your controller you go ahead and press the PlayStation button, and this time what you want to do is press down and come to home and then press X. And from here, any games you've got open, so let's take this one that we've got open at the moment, what you want to do again is press the options button, so this button here, on the game you want to quit. You're going to get a drop down menu like this, and all you need to do is go ahead and select close game from the top of the menu. As you can see, again, it says closing this game or app, and it's going to return us to the PS5 dashboard. So that is how to quit PS5 game. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.